Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up some of my Young Living loyalty orders. These orders are for the months of December and January. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have personal care products, they have supplements, they have items for men, women, children, babies, and even your pets. And so I am a member of their loyalty orders program. And so that means that I'm committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And so what I love about the program is that you earn a percentage of points back towards free products. And so I am currently getting 25% back on whatever I spend each month on my loyalty orders. So every couple of months I'll go in and use those points to put towards free products. So today I have my December order, my January order, and then I have a couple of free items that I got when I spent some of my loyalty points. And so we're going to get into the first box. This is technically my December order. I've been with Young Living for over 7 years, and so my orders tend to be a little bit smaller, so I like to do a couple months at a time when I open my boxes. So like I said, this is technically my December 2022 order. So each month I can go in and change what I put into my loyalty order. And so usually I have a combination of essential oils, supplements, personal care products, and sometimes household cleaning products. So let's see what I have for this one. So right on top I have my packing slip. I'm going to set that to the side. And I have a larger tube, and usually larger tubes are supplements. And so the first item that I have is the Inner Defense Supplement. This is a supplement that I like to take during the fall and winter months because it helps to support the immune system. So Inner Defense is an essential oil supplement. It says it is immune system support, and it's formulated with Thieves. So if you know anything about the Thieves Essential Oil Blend, it is a blend of essential oils that are designed to help support the immune system. And so the Inner Defense Supplement contains the Thieves Blend, but it also contains what they call the Inner Defense Super Blend, which I think contains things like oregano, thyme, and those extra immune system support essential oils. So let me read to you what it says about Inner Defense. Inner Defense contains Young Living's Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is rich in thymol, carboprol, and eugenol for immune system support. It does say to take a soft gel daily in the morning or one soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when stressed. For best results, use Life 9 Probiotic 8 hours later. And so I tend to have a sensitive stomach, and I take my medications at night. So I usually just take one Inner Defense capsule each night just to boost my immunity. And next in my order is a small tube, and so usually the smaller tubes contain essential oils. So the first one that I have is another item that I get to support my immune system and my respiratory system in the fall and winter months, and that is the Raven Essential Oil Blend. So Raven is a blend, so it contains multiple essential oils blended together. So let me read to you what is in Raven. So it says Raven is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. And so its ingredients are Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And I just love the way it smells. I like to diffuse Raven and Thieves essential oils at night in my family's diffusers because it helps to support our immune systems and respiratory systems. Next in that tube is another essential oil, and it is orange. And so orange is a single essential oil, and so there's nothing but orange in this bottle. Orange is just a really good essential oil to blend with other essential oils. So it would blend well with the Raven, it would blend well with Thieves, it blends well with peppermint. So this is just a go-to essential oil that I blend with lots of other essential oils when I diffuse. And so the last thing in my box is a favorite of my husband's, and it is the Shutran Beard Oil. And so he loves this beard oil. It contains the Shutran Essential Oil Blend. It smells great. He has a longer beard, so he likes to kind of keep that maintained, and he loves the way that that makes his beard look. Let me read to you what's in the Shutran Essential Oil Blend so you know what it has in it. So the Shutran essential oil has Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and northern lights black spruce, and it just smells really, really nice. So Young Living has a whole Shutran line that is dedicated to men. And so that was my December order. We're going to get into my January order now. And my January order came in a bag that looks like this. And so the first thing I see in here is a big bag. Everything's in a big bag here. And so I've got my packing slip. I'm going to set it over here again. And first thing I'm going to grab out is the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. I really love Young Living's bath and shower gels, and usually I rotate between the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel and the Lavender Bath and Shower Gel. The Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel is great for the cooler months because it has like peppermint and things like that in it. It says infused with peppermint, lemongrass, rosemary, and juniper essential oils. Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel has a refreshing, uplifting scent. Its mild plant-based formula lathers easily and leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and clean, formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And so I love that one. And it just smells really, really nice. Like that one. Next is a supplement, and it is the Super C Chewable Supplement. And so we've had this before, we just ran out of it, and so I wanted to get this. It's a good time of year to have an extra boost of vitamin C to help support the body. All right, so it says that it is made with orange peel oil, and it says to take 1 chewable tablet 3 times daily or as needed. And again, this is just a supplement that my family likes to take to help support our health and wellness. Next is a favorite of mine. It is a 3-pack of the Thieves Spray. And so these sprays are perfect for putting in your purse to like help sanitize and clean things on the go. And they are made with the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. And so I have a 3-pack of those. All right, so the Thieves Essential Oil Blend contains clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata, and so that is in that spray. And it says, Thieves Spray is a portable cleaning spray ideal for purifying small surfaces. Thieves Spray can be used on doorknobs, handles, toilet seats, and more. And like if you go to the grocery store and you want to sanitize the handle before you start pushing the cart, that's a good way to use it. I'll spray it on tables and doorknobs and things like that when things just need extra cleaning. And then next, I have another Shutran Beard Oil, so my husband is going to be very happy that I'm getting that stocked back up for him. And last in my order is I ordered a Cinnamint Lip Balm. And so I love the Young Living lip balms. I like to apply them before I put on my liquid lipstick to keep my lips from getting too dry. I like to put them on before bedtime. And during the fall and winter months, my lips just get extra dry, so I like to just apply it whenever my lips kind of feel like they're getting kind of dry and chapped and things like that. The cinnamon one is my favorite one to use during the fall and winter months. I love the grapefruit one during the spring and summertime, and then I like to use a lavender one at night before bedtime. I really wanted to get the lip balm trio, but it was out of stock, and so the trio contains a grapefruit, a cinnamon, and a lavender lip balm. And so but for now, I'll just go ahead and grab one of these, and then maybe I'll grab another one in my next month's order if the lip balm trio is still out of stock. And so my January order had the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel, the Super C Chewables, the Shutran Beard Oil, the Cinnamint Lip Balm, and the 3-pack of the Thieves Spray. So you can see they're not very big orders, but I've been doing Young Living so long that I just need to replenish the things that I'm running out of or running low on. And so now I'm going to show you a couple of items that I spent my points on to get for free. And so the first free item is a supplement. It is the MultiGreens Supplement. And so this is an herbal supplement. And so it says, energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa essential oil. And so this is just one of those supplements that I like to take to help boost my energy levels. So this is one that I take in the morning with my other supplements that are for boosting energy and things like that. So love the MultiGreens. Let me read to you what it says about the MultiGreens in the book. All right, so it says MultiGreens blends chlorophyll-rich botanicals, choline, and amino acids to support overall wellness. Pure rosemary, lemon, and Melissa essential oils are added to aid in absorption. And so it says to take 3 capsules 2 times daily, but again, I just take 1 just to help support my energy levels and things like that. So, and then the second item that I got for free is the Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. And this is a favorite skincare product for me. I have very dry skin, and so I love this moisturizing cream to use in the morning and at night to help give my skin a little added extra moisture. It smells great. Let me read to you about the Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. All right, it says Sandalwood Moisture Cream is a premium hydrating moisturizer infused with pure Young Living essential oils. Massage gently into face, neck, and other desired areas. Use daily after cleansing and toning your face. And so I have used this one. I've also used the Art Intensive Moisturizer, and I love them both. I just feel like you get more product in this container. All right, some of the essential oils that are in this are Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, lavender, and myrrh. I'm sure there are others, but the print is really small and I can't hardly see it. But those are really great essential oils for supporting your skin. And like I said, I got both of those items free with my points. So if you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. If you want to try some of these items, you can click on that link and it'll take you to the Young Living site so you can try some of these products out for yourself. And until next time, bye guys.